What is red light therapy and how do you use it in 30 seconds or less? Red light therapy is a wellness and longevity habit where you expose certain parts of your body to very powerful red and near-infrared light. This light is very important for humans because our mitochondria have the ability to absorb the light, which then promotes cellular energy production. When your cells are able to produce more energy, they are able to do their jobs better, and when they're able to do their jobs better, your health tends to get better. Red light therapy can be used for joint and muscle problems, eye care, skin health, sleep support, sports and workout performance, and much more. To use red light therapy, all you need to do is get a red light therapy device that roughly matches the size of the area that you want to treat. So if you only want to treat your face and eyes, you only need something small and handheld. But if you want to treat large areas or you want general mitochondrial benefits, you need to get a full body setup. All you need to do is expose the area you want to treat to the light for 5 to 15 minutes a day from a distance of 10 to 65 centimeters, depending on your goals. Doing it in the morning and around sunset are generally the best times, but any time is better than no time. You can stack your red light therapy with other health hacks, but I recommend you keep them separate for the best benefits. Send this video to someone who needs to know about red light therapy.